Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and having a good time with your family and friends. So, before moving to the video, I would like to tell you that if you like my content and feel that it is helpful to you, then please like it and subscribe it and share to the people who find it very helpful. And so, in this video, we will learn about drawing eyelashes. So, while drawing eyelashes, many of us feel it is as difficult, and due to that, we just rush over that, and at the end, we don't get the good result at all. So, there is a secret behind drawing eyelashes. If you learn it, it becomes quite easy to draw eyelashes. So, let's start from the front view of the eye. We often do the mistake that we think that the eyelashes are straight, but actually they are curved. When you see them or analyze them with a closer look, you see that they are curved. Now I will show you that their actual shape. So here is a trick for drawing eyelashes from the front view. At first, draw C-shaped structures on the upper eyelid, as you can see in the video how I have done it, and then extend towards outwards. You should extend them not in a straight way. You should extend them by drawing curved lines towards outwards. Now we will start grouping the hair strands. So here you can see how I am trying to darken the eyelashes. Some should be smaller and some should be long, but not equal in size. So while drawing the eyelashes, you should keep in mind that their size is not similar. As they are natural, their growth doesn't stops at the equal level. Some are smaller and the some are larger, so you should keep it in mind while drawing the eyelashes. And one more thing while drawing from the front view is that they are smaller at both the ends. You can see that the eyelashes in the ends are smaller, whereas in the middle the length is a little longer than the other two sides. So keep in mind while drawing that. Next we move to the closed view of the eye. Coming to the closed view, when you observe the closed eye, the shape is similar to open eye view, but this time we will draw towards downwards. The shape we have given in the open view outer side, or we extended the shape of the lashes towards outwards and upwards. This time we're gonna draw them towards downwards, and the shape is similar. In similar to the earlier one, they too have their lengths smaller at their ends, and in the middle they are longer. So, in order to preserve the shape of lashes, you must follow this. If not, it doesn't look good. Actually, they look like a fake eyelashes if you don't follow this. So, I recommend you to just follow the natural structure of eyelashes, which you can understand if you observe their details once or twice. So, while drawing from the side view, we first draw the baseline as we can see, but here the length of the lashes is not similar to the closed or the open view, as the lashes length is a little longer from the front corner at the starting point of the eye, and they are smaller at the other end of the eye, and in the middle they are the length is normal. So you should keep in mind that when we are drawing from the side view, their length should be longer at the starting end of the eye. And here the length of the eyelashes, as I told, is longer at the starting point. And you can see that they are grouped. The way they emerge from the skin isn't equal, as we can see in the view of front and and closed view, the it is not similar to that. They are little bit ungrouped way, so we can say unsystemized way. So yeah, after that, if the thing I would like to suggest you is that you should always try to use the lightest pencil before giving them the actual shape. So anything, let it be a face, an eye, the shape of nose, anything, when you try to draw it for the first time or any time you draw, use the lightest shade of the pencil. If you don't have, then try to handle your pencil little lighter, so that if any mistake happens you can rub that. So I too, as you can see, first I draw little lighter and then I try to darken them. So here the pencil I am using is a mechanical pencil. It is neither HB or 2B, as I cannot define between them, because the darkness of the eye pencil is it's a normal pencil as we use for writing our notes and all. So only one thing makes you a perfect artist, it's a practice. So I hope you practice more, at the end you will win what you want to. So if you like my content, please subscribe it and share with your friends, and thank you for coming to my channel, and thank you, have a good day.